Dear students, in this session, we will start the question number. We'll start with the question number 20. We'll start with the question number 20. Prove that the points A, B, C, D are the vertices of parallelogram ABCD. They are given the four vertices of a parallelogram. What are the vertices? -2, -1, B 1, 0, C 4, 3, D 1, 2. These are the four vertices of the parallelogram that we have to prove. Before proving that they are the vertices of a parallelogram, we should know some characteristics of a parallelogram. What are the characteristics of a parallelogram? If you take a parallelogram over here, A, B, C, D. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Correct? And one more thing, the diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals bisect each other at O. That means AO is equal to OC, BO is equal to OD, or AC and BD bisect each other. That means midpoint of AC should be equal to midpoint of BD. That is the main condition. Midpoint of AC should be equal to midpoint of BD. Then only we can say that these two these four vertices are nothing but the vertices of a parallelogram. Okay. Now we will consider. First I will write the points here. -2, -1, B 1, 0, C 4, 3, D 1, 2. Correct? 1, 2. Now, first I will take AC. Midpoint of AC. AC, that is equal to O of X, Y is equal to. What is the formula to find the midpoint of AC? X1 plus X2 by 2. Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Substitute the values. So we are taking AC. So this is X1, Y1. This is X2, Y2. Okay. Now what is X1 here? -2 plus X2 is 4 by 2. Y1 is -1 plus Y2 is 3 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. So that is 1, 1 we got. 1, 1. Let us see. Midpoint of BD also same we will get. Midpoint of BD. That is also, we should get the same answer here also. X1 plus X2 by 2. Y1 plus Y2 by 2. That is equal to, what is X1 here? If I take BD, X1, Y1, this is X2, Y2. So X1 plus X2 means 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 by 2. Y1 plus Y2 means 0 plus 2 by 2. So that is equal to 2 by 2, 2 by 2. That is answer 1, 1. Here also midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So therefore midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So this implies A, B, C, D are A, B, comma C, comma D are vertices of parallelogram. Vertices of a parallelogram. So this is how we can prove that they are vertices of a parallelogram. We can find out AB and CD are equals using distance formula also. That is also we can apply. Okay, anyhow, this is the answer for the question 20. So we move on to the next question. Next question is 21. 21. So what is the question number 21 says? If the A, B, C, D are forms a parallelogram, find the values of A and B. Okay. So they are given A coordinates -2, -1, B coordinates 1, 0, C coordinates A, 3, D coordinates they have given 1, B. They are saying that it forms a parallelogram. Find the values of A and B. We know that if it is a parallelogram, midpoint of AC should be equal to midpoint of BD. Correct? Midpoint of AC should be equal to midpoint of BD. So midpoint of AC, A means this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. x1 plus x2 minus 2 plus A by 2, minus 1 plus 3 by 2 is equal to midpoint of BC, BD, x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 0 plus B by 2. 0 plus B by 2, that is equal to minus 2 plus A by 2. This is 2 by 2. 2 ones cancels. That is 2 by 2. Here also 2 ones. This is B by 2. Now we have to equate. Now we have to equate. So this with this x coordinate with the x coordinates, y coordinate with y coordinate. So this implies minus 2 plus A by 2 is equal to 1. Similarly, B by 2 is equal to 1. Cross multiplication. Minus 2 plus A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 plus 2. A is equal to 4. A value is 4. Here also cross multiplication. B is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. So A value 4, B value 2. In this way we can find out the unknown terms in the vertex. Okay? So note down this sum. So we will move on to the next question, that is 22. That is 22. So the three vertices of a parallelogram A, B, C, D taken in the order. Find the fourth vertex of the parallelogram. So they are given 22. They are given three vertex of the vertices of the parallelogram A, B, C, D. They are given A minus 1 comma 0, join AC, join BC. This is O. A 1 comma 0, B 3 comma 1, they are given B 3 comma 1, and C 2 comma 2. They are not mentioned anything here. Let us will be X comma Y. Okay. In order to find out the fourth vertex, I need the intersection point of the two diagonals, that is O. I want O coordinates. If I know O coordinates using midpoint formula, I can find out this. But we don't know O. So therefore, what we have to find out? How to find out the O midpoint using the AC? Is it? Midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC is equal to, midpoint of AC is equal to, you can say O. So you can take this coordinate as XY. Okay. That is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Correct? Now substitute the values. x1 is what? Minus 1, x2 is 2 by 2, y1 is 0 plus y2 is 2 by 2. That is 1. This is 1 by 2. Correct? 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. This is 2 by 2. That is nothing but 2 ones, 2 ones. That is nothing but 1 by 2, 1. So this is the midpoint of AC. x1 is minus 1, x2 is 2, minus 1 plus 2, 1 by 2. Okay? Now we got this point. So what is the point here? 1 by 2, 1. Using this, we can find out the coordinates of D. Okay? So I will do here. Now I will do here. Okay? Now, midpoint of BD is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is nothing but O of x comma y. O is a midpoint, no? So I will write the points also of 1. I will write this is equal to x1. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. You can take this as x comma y. Okay. And now x1 is what? 3 plus x2 is x by 2. y1 is 1 plus y2 is y by 2. Now we can equate x coordinates with x coordinates, y coordinates with y coordinates. Therefore, this implies of is equal to 3 plus x by 2. Cross multiply. So 2 ones are 2, 2 is equal to 2 3s are 6. 2 into x, 2x. This implies 2x is equal to 2 minus 6. That is minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 by 2. That is x is equal to minus 2. X value we got. Similarly, we can find out y value. 1 is equal to 1 plus y by 2. Cross multiply. 1 plus y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 minus 1. Y is equal to 1. x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 1. Therefore, what we can say, coordinates of D, x comma, this implies coordinates of D, x comma, y is equal to minus 2, 1. So this is the coordinates of D. Okay, coordinates of D. So note down this. So okay, we will move on to the next question. We will move on to the next question. So what is the next question says? 23. So question number